Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Wi-Fi and location are on, and the other device is nearby and unlocked. Open Settings, then Wi-Fi or Connections. Select Wi-Fi Direct or Nearby Share depending on Android version. Once done, your device will scan. Make sure the target device appears in the list. Tap its name to initiate a handshake. This first action establishes a peer-to-peer link, which bypasses routers and gives a direct high-speed path for file and screen sharing. After selecting the target device, you must authorize the connection. The other user will get a prompt to accept. Choose the transfer type, files, photos, or screen share because different services use slightly different ports and permissions. Make sure you both confirm any pairing code shown. This prevents man-in-the-middle connections. If prompted, grant temporary permissions like storage or screen capture. Once authorized, the devices will negotiate a direct IP link and begin the requested action automatically. Finish by monitoring transfer progress and verifying files opened correctly. Confirm sizes or checksums if needed. Once the job completes, disconnect from Wi-Fi Direct or Nearby Share to restore normal networking. If anything goes wrong, first retry the pairing, toggle Wi-Fi off and ensure location remains enabled. As a key troubleshooting tip, rebooting both devices or restarting the Wi-Fi Direct service clears stale sessions and resolves most connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.